I didn't try to eat that, and I didn't see that kind of food, only on your video, Mike Tina. Only your I see it in your video. So maybe if you're here and then you cook that, I will try to eat that one, biryani. And maybe no, Abby will cook that because she's always in the kitchen. And me, I'm scared that I'm always in the kitchen because I don't eat much. If I cook kasi that one biryani, nako, I'm the one cooking, eating. Biryani is world famous food, you know. Oh really? Oh, I didn't know that. Now that you tell me, maybe I will try. If I have money, I will try to buy and then I will try to eat. But I don't cook because my daughter is not, paano ba yan? Hindi nila alam. They don't know that kind of food. So, maybe if I will try only me. Okay? I'm fine, bro. Sounds fine. Oh, really? Biryani is the famous food, you know. In my country, every people will fight for biryani in shop. Hi! Grabe ah. Nets TV vlogs. Oh, di ba, Nets? I'm listening of everything, just busy bit. Get a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah. It's okay, Abby. Okay, naaman yung kay Guang karon. Tingkuan man ginaro, ting trabaho ba yun? Hello, Nets. Abby, madam, it has hair on nose. It has an ear and nose. Sayaw na lang ko, diba? Magsayaw-sayaw na lang ko, dari. Diba? Sige kong lingkod. Nakita kong tuhod. Diba? Ay, hindi. Ay. Diba? Message ko sa mga Bel. Ay! Message ko niya sa mga. Hangak si Cak Lola. Aray! Your granny. Sal, your granny Lola. Your granny Chona Lola. Your granny Lola Chona. Granny, the word of today, Lola. It means granny. Okay? Nice move. Are you sure it's a nice move? Are you sure? Wait, Mampita. I'm in the middle of of your video. But Salsal is challenge me. Okay, wait, Mampita. I will turn back to you later. Later, alligator. No, it's not. No, it's not. Ay! Bell! Oh, yeah.